Good evening. Scott is off tonight. I'm Maurice Dubois. President Obama warned Congress today. Money is rapidly running out for the battle against Zika, even as more Americans become infected. The situation, he said, is critical.
A lot of folks talk about protecting Americans from threats. Well, Zika is a serious threat to Americans, especially babies, right now. So once again, I want to urge the American people to call their members of Congress and tell them to do their job. Deal with this threat. Help protect the American people from Zika.
The air war against mosquitoes carrying the virus began today in South Florida. Planes are spraying insecticide in the Miami neighborhood, where officials say at least 15 people were infected by local mosquitoes. David Begnaud is there.
Today's aerial assault in a 10-mile radius around the Zika zone was effective. That's according to Dr. Tom Frieden, director of the CDC.
Aerial spraying is quicker than the truck-based spraying and reaches many places that truck-based and hand-based spraying can't reach.
Florida's Governor Rick Scott announced a 10-block area in the northwest corner of the Zika zone has been cleared.
We're very comfortable that we are not seeing any active cases there.
In reviewing the results of today's aerial spraying, the CDC director says a check of mosquito traps revealed the vast majority were killed using the insecticide Nailed. 1 fluid ounce was sprayed per acre. EPA guidance on Nailed says it poses no health risks to people, but environmental groups point to animal studies showing higher doses affected the nervous system and caused skin damage. Those fears were evident on social media today. Lynn from Seattle tweeted, "Crazy subjecting millions of people to harsh chemical pesticides when you've got 15 people without symptoms." Nailed is
less potent.
Dr. Eileen Marty is an infectious disease doctor at Florida International University.
Is Nailed bad in the context and the dose that's being used behind that plane?
The dose is so low and so fine a mist that it's almost impossible, not totally impossible, but almost impossible for any human to have any significant effect in the way that they're spraying and at the heights that it's being sprayed.
No decision has been made on when to resume that aerial spraying. Maurice, the most important thing people in South Florida can do tonight is clear standing water around your home, even the tiniest amount, because this is the type of mosquito that can breed in even a bottle cap.
Certainly is. David Begnaud in Miami tonight. And we have posted a lot more information about Zika on our website. You'll find it at cbsnews.com/Zika.